She is Elizabeth. He is John. They take care of a big factory maintenance. Andrew is the big boss of a big factory. His job is to keep the company wealthy and competitive. Andrew recently learned that making productive plants more reliable is fundamental for facing global competition. So Andrew calls Elizabeth and John to give them a new task.
In order to face our markets, we need more reliable plants. So we need to deliver predictive maintenance in all our plants. I know you will make it happen.
As everything else, maintenance is evolving. The oldest way is reactive maintenance. This maintenance strategy is about fixing things just when they break. Reactive maintenance does not prevent quality issues, sudden production stops, or collateral damage. In order to prevent problems instead of just curing them, statistic maintenance has been adopted. Statistic maintenance is about knowing probable duration of critical parts and replace them before they break up. Unfortunately, handling critical parts is generally not enough. It happens very often to replace still working and functional parts. Predictive maintenance is the new thing. Also called condition-based maintenance, it's about monitoring plants' parameters and avoid failures by predicting and preventing them. No quality issues, no production stops, no collateral damages. In order to predict possible failures, sensors and instruments are used to monitor specific parameters: vibrations, thermodynamics, pressure, lubricants, noise, and others.
Vibrations are very important.
Increasing vibration amplitude in specific frequency indicates the deterioration of a specific component.
Well, this looks great and possible.
Vibrational analysis needs at least 1600 Hz bandwidth. This means sampling at 3200 Hz. We need tridimensional data, so we have 9600 data each second.
Considering we have at least 350 points to monitor. Wow, it's a lot of data. How do we get all data we need from the field? And once we get them, how do we handle them?
Okay, John, you are right. But I think I've a solution for you. Take a look at my laptop. It looks like WIBES system, made by Digital Media Industries, is the answer for all your questions.
WIBES is an integrated predictive maintenance system, including software, server, and sensors. Each WIBES sensor is an intelligent device and includes transducers, analog to digital converter, microcontroller, and LoRa radio module. Vibrations generated by machine are captured by transducer. Transducer converts vibrations wave into an electric signal. This electric signal is then processed by an analog to digital converter and becomes digital. Microcontroller executes signals processing operations, such as Fourier transform and other compression and optimization, in order to significantly reduce amount of data. LoRa radio module delivers optimized data to server, which delivers storage, predictive analysis, alarms, and user interface. WIBES software provides automatic signal analysis and alarm system and allows handling data and maintenance process through a simple and intuitive web interface. WIBES dashboard makes all operators relevant information available in a single page. As system detects abnormal values or increasing vibration trends in specific frequencies, it provides automatic warnings. Notifications may be delivered via email, via telegram, or via integration with other existing systems. Synoptic interface enables fast and easy recognition of plant status and easy identification of attention points. WIBES software allows maintenance process handling in precise and organized way by tracking any relevant event. Every single data of every single source and sensor is available and easy to retrieve. WIBES also includes advanced analyses and forecast tools, and all features needed to handle maintenance organization, including scheduled maintenance and documentation.
Yes, Elizabeth, you really answered all my questions. Let's go with WIBES.
Elizabeth, John, you have done a great job. We have increased our plant's OEE by 24% in last 3 months, and we spent much less than I really expected. This is really a great result.
WIBES. Predictive maintenance made easy. Powered by Digital Media Industries.